Say hello, guys.
Hello guys.
Hi, everyone. Ayan. What we gonna do now, anak? Alright, let me... Yeah, school project lang. Okay, hello, guys. Today we're having an activity, school activity. The teacher sent this as a homework assignment, let's say. So, what we gonna do is color first.
And then cut with scissors.
Yeah, but as of now, let's color.
Yes.
This one, I think we don't need to color because it's written white. So, it's already white. No need to color, right? It's written white. So, we should color this red.
But hey, it's English.
English, yeah.
This?
Read it. Red.
Red.
Yeah, red.
Hey, but these one are English. But my friends cannot understand.
Sure they can.
No, but it's also for my friend. It's English.
Yeah, I think it's English subject. That's why it's good. And I'm happy, guys. Kasi ilang araw ng Turkish.
Now you can
Ayan.
understand.
Sure, I can understand. Understand, anak. So much. Yan, hadi. Let's color.
But it's we have to color all of them.
Yeah.
It's saying color red
Yeah,
and
yeah.
this white. But no need to color.
Yeah, I think
Okay.
no need to color. It's
I'll
already
give you
an extra book, anak. Put it here.
Extra but
Wow. Ayan, guys. Kulay-kulay ang aking baby.
Hey, why not getting draw there? Ha.
Wow,
really
beautiful.
It's really red. This
Yeah.
is so powerful red.
Powerful, strong. Powerful talaga, anak. Are you happy?
I like
Let's
it.
see the result, okay? Ayan, abangan guys kung anong magiging kung anong
I will
kalalabasan
paste.
nito.
And but I will paste to the wall this.
Yeah.
It's showing there.
Okay.
Did you see that?
No.
Oh, also in our school there is that thing for drawing.
What's that? What animal is that?
Eagle.
Really? Is
Yeah.
it eagle? Let's see.
Lilik means eagle.
Oh, no. But eagle is short leg. Or wait.
They have long
They don't
legs.
have... Huh?
They have a little bit long legs.
Oh, no. This
Look,
is
it's like a
looks
little
like
bit long.
ostrich or flamenco. Let's
My
see. Let's
teacher
check.
says eagle.
Okay.
But I know. And Tagalog airplane was airplano.
Oh! Oh!
It was airplano.
Yeah, aeroplano Tagalog.
Ah.
Wow!
I know only one word. And Tagalog.
One word?
Airplane. Airplano.
Oh, but I was so surprised. I didn't know that. Because you really love airplane, that's why you know, huh? Oh my goodness.
I like
Good job.
airplane.
Yes, guys, nagulat ako. Sabi niya, ay, ba't in Tagalog daw? Alam niya yung airplane. Aeroplano, sabi niya. Again, aeroplano.
Airplano.
Yeah, you should say aerop. Not only airplano. Should be aeroplano.
Yeah.
Say aerop.
Aeroplano.
Yes. Not only airplano, but wow.
Aeroplano.
Yes. Wow, ashkim binim.
Oh yeah, because I just love airplanes.
That's why. Hadi. Do you want me to help?
No, look.
Okay.
I pull it out.
Okay, I'm excited to cut. Tan. Wanna help? Need my help?
Yeah.
But-
When we are cutting it, but
Yeah, by cutting I can help you. Okay, let me color the
Yeah, but-
round thing.
I know I feel hard to cut only this.
It's okay.
I want to cut this, but this really hard
Hadi, but this is your homework now.
But you help me.
Hmm?
But you can help me. You can only help me.
Okay. Hadi, make it now. Do you love your new
this
teacher?
one was, yes, but it's boring there because I can get bored for sure, but be more bored later
Where's boring?
than the school. But
Why it's boring in school?
he's doing these things,
Okay.
doing a job, and then
Hadi, Janem.
teeny time, and we are doing a sports. Yeah, a game which is with sports. I know what is sports. I know which one is a sport. Skipping rope.
A lot of sports, anak. There are so many kinds of sports.
Yeah. Ball.
Not only skipping rope.
Yeah, also ball.
Do you love skipping rope?
Yes, it's so fun.
Yes. Wow, amazing how fast you're doing.
The school is more. It's good. Look.
Okay, it's enough, I guess. Okay, now this one.
Look. They do from a machine. That's why it's like a video.
Yeah, it's it's printer. It's called the printer.
From machine they do it.
Printer.
Ooh.
Be careful not to make an exceed.
What did I see?
Exceed outside of the, what do you call that? Outside of the,
Over the line.
line. Yeah, look, outside of the line it means. It's almost done. We're almost there. I need to prepare scissor. Where's the scissor? Wow, let me see. Oh. So, ayan guys. Wow, nice. Cool. Is it done now?
Yes.
Now guys, we're going to cut.
Now, guys, we are going to.
Do you know how to cut? Make it straight, Janem, okay? Stand by here. Put it here.
I can see that. How?
Look, Anna, it's okay. So this is the one part. Guess what part is that?
Feet go out.
What
Feet go out.
do you think, Anna? What part is that?
Feet.
Oh.
A feet. Really long. Snaky. What? Wow.
Ito yung last na aking ginupit. Ang mahaba. Ano kaya yung mahabang to? Okay? Ano kaya yung mahaba nito? So, ngayon guys, fold natin siya. Ayan, ganyan siya guys. Anak, please. Hadi? Ayan guys.
I'll do this much.
Yeah.
I'll do this much.
Mm-hmm.
And then fold again.
Mm-hmm.
Until this.
Yeah, all. Come here.
Wow, 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 wow.
Ayan. Hadi na. Ay, this one also. Miko, Jim. Ayan. Fold lang ng fold. Ah, okay. Yan. Ganyan pala para makita. Oops. I think hanggang dito na lang. So guys, ayan. It's already done. Now, there are 2 rounds. 1 triangle shape. 2 long with something like, what's this na?
A leg and feet.
Yeah, hindi niya maisikreto. No surprise. It's very obvious also. Ayan, gawin natin ulit siya dito.
Tada!
Okay, yan na siya guys. You need to open. Wow!
Pago! Yeah!
Ano lang to siya guys?
You know how to do it. Yeah!
So, this is the another one. Mikali, Jim. Ayan. Ako, baliko-baliko ang pagkano ng ano. So, we have 2. Oh.
And there's this.
Open also na. But don't make it, don't stretch so much. Ha? Half of it. Yan. And also this. Ay, nahila ko yata ng bongga. Now, we need to cut also. Oh, we forgot. We need to cut it.
Which one?
Cut also this, guys. This, head part. Head. Now this one, the long one, the long.
When they get scared of
See the long one. Jaran, we got it.
I think it's a hand.
Oh, let's check.
A hand. A hand.
Could be, yeah, you are right. I think this is
Hand.
No, it's impossible.
What's that?
Is the bird have hands?
No.
Yeah.
Where is the another wing and neck?
Ayan, another one. We are going to
Where is the
cut.
another wing?
Yay! Ayan, this one. Sa ma'am, ayan na siya, ayan na.